What if I told you that building wealth isn't about just earning big bucks? In fact, you can build wealth without having a high income, and you can start today. The real secret? It's about making smart decisions, staying consistent, and taking the right step-by-step actions. Today, we're going to break down the 8 steps that can lead you toward financial freedom, no matter your income level. Stick around, because these simple steps could transform your financial future. Ready to build your wealth? Let's jump in. 1. Set specific financial goals. Smart. The very first step to building wealth is setting clear, actionable goals. It's not enough to say, I want to be rich. You need specific, measurable goals that you can track. This is where the SMART goal framework comes in. Making sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Start by setting a goal that excites you, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house or building a solid retirement fund. Make the goal measurable by adding a time frame. For example, instead of save for a house, say save $25,000 for a house within 2 years. This gives you a clear target to aim for and keeps you motivated. Setting these specific financial goals allows you to stay focused, track your progress, and celebrate small wins along the way. As you accomplish one goal, you can set new ones, keeping momentum going. Having SMART goals will keep you on track, and when you achieve them, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment that fuels the next steps in your wealth-building journey. 2. Create a budget and track cash flow. Now that you have specific goals in mind, the next step is to track your cash flow. Do you know where your money goes every month? Creating a budget is essential for building wealth. It gives you clarity on your income, expenses, and helps you understand how much you can save and invest. Start by recording your income. This includes your salary, freelance work, side hustle income, or anything else that brings in money. Then list your expenses. This includes rent, utilities, food, transportation, and any other costs. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, it becomes easier to see where you can cut back and put more money towards savings and investments. With this clarity, you can create a budget that works for you. Allocate a certain percentage of your income to savings and investments each month. The more you track and adjust, the more control you'll have over your finances. Remember, wealth building is not just about spending less. It's about knowing where your money is going and making sure it works for you. 3. Eliminate high-interest debt. One of the biggest barriers to building wealth is debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards and payday loans. This kind of debt can quickly eat up your money, leaving you with less to save and invest. The third step to building wealth is to eliminate high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Start by paying off the most expensive debt first. This could be your credit card with the highest interest rate, or personal loans that charge more than typical loans. The faster you clear these debts, the more money you can redirect toward investments and savings. Once you've paid off these high-interest debts, you'll feel a sense of relief and freedom, allowing you to focus on growing your wealth. Having no debt gives you the freedom to invest more, build an emergency fund, and prepare for your future. Eliminate the debt that holds you back, and you'll create the financial freedom needed to build lasting wealth. 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Emergencies happen, and without an emergency fund, you may be forced to go into debt when the unexpected occurs. This is why the 4th step to building wealth is to set aside 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This emergency fund serves as a safety net. Whether it's a medical emergency, car repair, or job loss, your emergency fund will allow you to handle these situations without derailing your wealth-building efforts. Having this safety net means you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans, keeping you out of debt. The key to an emergency fund is to start small and build it over time. Once you've established a fund with at least 3 months' expenses, it can act as a buffer to protect your wealth. Building this fund will give you peace of mind, knowing that you're covered no matter what life throws your way. 5. Automate savings and investing. One of the easiest ways to build wealth without thinking about it is by automating your savings and investments. Instead of waiting until the end of the month to see what you have left to save, automate your finances so that the money goes directly into savings and investments as soon as you're paid. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account, retirement funds, or investment accounts. This ensures that you pay yourself first and that you are consistently building wealth every month. You won't have to rely on willpower or remember to make transfers. Everything happens automatically. Automation also removes the emotional aspect of saving. It's not about how much you feel like saving today. It's about making it part of your routine. As a result, you can consistently grow your wealth without feeling deprived. The more you automate, the more your wealth will grow without you even thinking about it. 6. Increase your income. Building wealth isn't just about saving more. It's also about earning more. The 6th step is to increase your income by finding opportunities to grow your earnings. This could mean advancing in your current job, asking for a raise, or even switching careers for higher-paying opportunities. Consider taking on a side hustle or starting a business. In today's world, there are countless ways to earn extra income, whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or offering services in your community. Every additional dollar you earn can be invested, saved, or used to pay off debt. Investing in yourself and your skills can also lead to long-term income growth. Whether it's through higher education, learning new skills, or expanding your network, boosting your earning potential can provide more opportunities to increase your wealth. By continuously looking for ways to earn more, you'll set yourself on the fast track to financial success. 7. Invest early and consistently. Now that you're earning and saving more, it's time to make your money work for you. Investing early and consistently is one of the most powerful wealth-building strategies. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Over time, this growth becomes exponential, meaning your wealth builds on itself. Start with low-cost index funds, stocks, or real estate. These are some of the most reliable investments for long-term growth. Even if you can only invest small amounts at first, these early contributions can grow into significant wealth over time. The key to successful investing is staying consistent. Automate your transfers into investment accounts every month and invest the same amount, regardless of the market's ups and downs. This approach, known as dollar cost averaging, minimizes risk by buying assets both when prices are low and high, smoothing out market volatility. Investing early allows your money to work for you, and the longer you invest, the more powerful compound interest becomes. It's not about how much you start with. It's about starting early and staying consistent, ensuring that your money continues to grow year after year. 8. Protect your wealth. The final step in building wealth is to protect it. As you accumulate wealth, you need to make sure that it is safeguarded from unexpected risks, such as medical emergencies, lawsuits, or accidents. This is where insurance comes in. Start with health insurance, life insurance, and disability insurance. If you have dependents, make sure they are protected in case something happens to you. It's also important to consider umbrella insurance, which provides extra liability coverage in case of a lawsuit. Additionally, think about creating an estate plan. This includes a will, trust, and powers of attorney to ensure that your wealth is distributed according to your wishes. A solid estate plan can help protect your assets and pass them on to your loved ones without complications. By protecting your wealth, you ensure that the hard work you've put into building your financial future won't be wiped out by unforeseen circumstances. And there you have it, the top 8 steps to building wealth and securing your financial future. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a sprint. Stay consistent, keep learning, and make smart decisions that pay off in the long run. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with anyone who might benefit, and subscribe for more tips on managing your money and building wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.